Hey people, so this is the first time we have these tiny rabbits on the bed, and today they complete 3 weeks and they are already so big and they are my children. It's like I don't think we'll have a rabbit litter ever again. So now that these are born, look at Jasper. He's a boy rabbit for sure. Jasper is the light gray one that was coming towards us. Now he's gone and sat in the center. So these are my responsibility. Yeah, I need to look after them. And Ayush, which is your personal favorite? It was, yeah, Jasper. My son kept mentioning. Now I'll have to bring the other 4 rabbits from outside. There's a lot of work involved, but it's just very relaxing to and I truly believe I'm doing something kind. Their daddy rabbit got neutered. So these are the only 4 rabbits. It's my responsibility to give them a good life. Yeah. So this is a 1-minute video and they are sleeping and I also want to do the same. So, and what time is it? Oh, it's going to be 1. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.